Hey guys, welcome back. So this week we are introducing the new series, which is Workshop Wednesdays. We hope you enjoy. Check it out.
That for as well to make sure that it doesn't cause any other problems in the future.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we're starting something new and we're going to do Workshop Wednesdays. So make sure you check in every Wednesday to get a lovely little update on something you didn't necessarily know.
Well, today we have Renault Clio 2016. So this one came in for new alternator, not charging. So it's got new alternator, new stretch belts. On the test drive, found that the front coil spring had broken and it's just about to go into the tyre. So just in the middle of doing the front coil spring, we removed the scuttle panels and the wipers. As you can see in here, a little bit of water in there, not too bad, but not ideal. And then if you go to this side, we have a little paddling pool. Ooh. Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
So while we're there, we'll do that for her as well to make sure that it doesn't cause any other problems in the future. Okay, so I've just removed it, and look how blocked that is.
So what's this?
That is the scuttle panel drains.
Right. Ugh.
Lovely.
I love how you've got gloves on to do that.
Why do you need gloves? So that's one fixed.
So that is, could you shine a light? That is just down here, that little hole there. That
Underneath the wipers.
Rubber grommet pulls out and you can clear that out. And there's the same on the other side.
Yeah, look at this one. That's loads bigger in a much better location.
Yeah.
So that's why that one's not blocked.
So there you go. So make sure you're checking your driver's side scuttle panel, because that's the one that's going to cause you the issues, not the passenger side. No, go away.
Go.
And this is how you can tell if it's drained properly.
So there is a simple way of checking these. You can put a hose pipe along the top here and make sure it comes out at the bottom, and that'll tell you whether these are blocked or
And
not.
it drains on both sides in the same place?
It does, yeah.
So there you go. Easy way to check if you have blocked drains on the front of your car is run a hose pipe over it. Next time you're washing your car even, you can check it then. So if this was your car, how would you know that there was an issue there, and what can you do to rectify it?
Well, basically what caused this was there's a lot of debris around the around this panel, and all the little holes were blocked, and all the debris come through these vents.
Okay.
And that's what's blocked the drains. So if you look here, you can see I've already cleared a lot of it out. But yeah, that's basically what's caused it.
Okay, so if you have a Renault Clio, make sure that you're clearing your scuttle panel across the top here of any leaves and debris. What else? What other advice could you pass on?
Don't buy a Renault.
No, you can't really say
can't
that.
say that. Oh,
No.
Okay, so buy a Renault. No, don't. No, don't. Oh, I don't know.
Personal preference on cars is not applicable.
Oh.
Anyway, any other advice, make sure you comment in the sections below. And if you've enjoyed this, make sure you hit that like button, thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel.
Cheers, guys.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.